So first let us see how to prepare first application in HTML. Yesterday we have installed one software called Visual Studio Code, that is a code editor for HTML. Every day throughout the entire course we are going to prepare the examples through Visual Studio Code window only. So that is very flexible and easy and a free tool for developing the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and other type of JavaScript frameworks like jQuery, AngularJS, for Node.js, React.js. We can use Visual Studio Code. Now let us try to see the practical example. How do we create a first application in HTML? In order to do so, first we have to go to the folder and we have to create a folder for our batch. In C:, add new folder. Name of the folder is UI 8pm. So in this folder only we are going to store all the programs daily. Practice time you can give any other folder name. You can go to any other folder, any other drive, not a problem. But just I suggest C:, UI 8pm. So now we have to go to Visual Studio Code. Start. Go to Visual Studio Code. And you can see Visual Studio Code. Inside that again we have Visual Studio Code. Once we click on this, so now the Visual Studio Code open. This is the look and feel of this Visual Studio Code. Now go to File menu, New File. Here we have to save the file. But while saving, we have to select the appropriate location. Carefully select the location, that is C:, UI 8pm. In this location only we are going to save all the programs. So the file name is first.html. We can give any file name, but extension should be .html. Click on save. Now here we have to start the HTML program. To begin the HTML program, we have to use HTML tag. This tag says that HTML program begins here. This tag says that HTML program ends here. In between the HTML tag opening and closing, we can place your head tag and the body tag, two tags. The head tag contains non-content information of the page. Body tag contains content information of the page. Content means what is visible to the user, that is called content. Suppose in this browser window, in this area, whatever the information you see, all that information is called as content. Whatever the information that doesn't appear or that displays outside the content, that is called non-content. Non-content is represented as head tag, content is represented as body tag. Inside the head tag, we can use a limited number of tags such as title, script, meta, link, etc. But most of the remaining tags we have to use in the body tag only. So inside the head, I am just placing title. The title tag represents title of the web page. That means what title you want to display here in this area, that information, that title of the web page, we have to mention inside the title tag. Here the title tag begins and here the title tag ends. In between the opening and closing only we have to place your actual content. For example, this is the first program, so I'm writing welcome to HTML. This will be appear in the title bar of the browser after running the program. And in the body tag, we are trying to place some content like hello. This will be appear in the actual content area of the browser, which is here. So now let us save the program. Go to File menu, Save, and now go to the folder where you saved it. Now we can see the file. Now double click on the file to run. Now we can notice the title is displayed here. What is the title? You can see there, welcome to HTML. This one is displayed in the title bar. And also you can see the title hello, that is in the content area. This is the way how to create a first application using HTML. Now in this example, we have understood three tags, that is HTML tag, head tag and body tag. The HTML tag represents beginning and ending point of the HTML program. Head represents non-content information of the page. Body represents content information of the page. Non-content means does not appear in the actual web page of the browser. Body means displays the actual web page of the browser.